Welcome to this new video. This series of video will show you how to use supervising functionality of PANDROL Connect. It is intended for people having supervisor or manager accounts. We will talk about accounts shortly, but first, let's check the principle of PANDROL Connect. As usual, your welder will cast his weld. But with PANDROL Connect, the report is made on the phone or tablet instead of paper. The main things with PANDROL Connect is that the report are not just a PDF. Data are sent to a cloud so it can be processed. Another welder can update the weld, or a supervisor can review it and accept it. And when he does, the data are automatically sent to the next party, a client for example. Indeed, PANDROL Connect has been designed not only to avoid paper but also to facilitate communication. You won't need to send tons of emails with scanned PDF. Of course, when the client accepts the weld, data becomes visible by the railway network, which can dispatch an inspector on site. Data are shared in real time so any involved party can know at any time everything about a weld. All those data can be accessed quickly on the monitoring dashboard, so you can manage your operation easily. And in case of any issue, you can quickly identify if the problem comes from the welder, the welding consumable or the track, and then identify any other welds which might be affected. Let's talk now about how does PANDROL Connect works. PANDROL Connect is hosted in the cloud and data are collected and shared via the platform. Everything can be accessed with a cell phone or your web browser, so you won't need to manage any infrastructure or install specific softwares. There are two kinds of operators on PANDROL Connect. First, the welding companies, they can create welds and review any data about a weld they have casted, or a weld casted by another company if they were the client. And then, the railway networks, who can review any weld casted on their network. If a railway networks has welding teams, a welding company belonging to the network will be created. Then, you have different type of users who all have their role. First, welders. They can create and update welds. Then, there are supervisors and inspectors. They review welds and can accept or reject the welds. Finally, there are managers who will configure the app and manage the company account, adding a new employee or customizing the app for example. If you do not have any login, don't hesitate to ask one. You can either contact your PANDROL sales representative or directly email us at pandrolconnect@pandrol.com. All those features can be accessed from the different module of PANDROL Connect. Welder will use the app. Supervisor can use the app when they are on site, but also the web app to have a full view of the operation and generate certificate or export data. The manager have a special module for their own administration task. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. You can now look at the 3 videos explaining each devices. If you are a supervisor, we suggest you to also look at welders videos to understand better how the PANDROL Connect mobile app works.